There is a lot of thunder in the distance. My name's Des here at Grok Trade, and it's Thursday, June 4th, 2015. And what I mean by thunder in the distance is I am seeing a lot of cracks in the ice. And I want to go over this in great detail with you. You have the S&P down 0.85%, Dow down 0.9%, the Nasdaq down 0.7%, small caps down a full percent. Banks also off 0.8%. Silver takes a nosedive down 2.2%, but at support. Gold, same thing, down 0.7%, but at support. And the dollar climbing up 0.2%, and the VIX volatility index spiking 3.36%. And here we are looking at the S&P Spider. Now this is the S&P500 ETF exchange traded fund called the SPY, also referred to as the Spider. And we remain in these rising wedges until today. Today we actually broke down below this on huge volume. Gang, we are in big trouble here. You got a big breakdown below the 20-day moving average, below the major trend line, below also another main trend line, a close below both of those major support areas on big volume. Gang, problematic. If you look here at the Dow, same thing. Dow, big triangle. I'm gonna get rid of this line. Big triangle. Today, boom, we break down on big volume. Bad sign for the bulls. Nasdaq still intact, rising wedge. We're still within the confines, and we're challenging the 20-day moving average. We're slightly below it right now. And when we go to the small caps, the Russells2000, yesterday we had this glorious breakout, boom! But today we drop, finding support back of the area that was serving as resistance. Very interesting to see this. So what's happened is no volume here. A volume very light on small caps, big drop after a big breakout at a support level, giving us a chance to continue higher, but this is slightly lower than the area that should be acting as support. So if it were to pop up and then drop, there would be a jab, and this could get nasty and quickly. The banks here still within a rising wedge, still looking bullish. Yesterday we hit resistance. Today we get a lower high, higher low. Inside trading day, so it did show weakness after it hit its head at resistance. If the markets were to start dropping here and break this trend line, I'll tell you, the banks, this is what I'm watching. So I cannot say we're going bearish until the banks break down. Silver, big drop, coming to a support level, not quite there like it is at gold. Gold did drop. We're at a support level which keeps getting challenged, and every time it hits it, it bounces. We're there again. Could be a buy opportunity for gold and silver. It'd be interesting to watch that. And the dollar here, what's interesting here is we have a big symmetrical triangle, a bull pullback to just below the 20-day moving average, but we do have a hammer here. So if the US dollar starts to go bullish and we start to rally, that's going to put pressure on the markets. If that happens, the VIX, which is the fear indicator, we are down, starting to launch here to the upside on big volume, gang. The VIX is an area here that, you know what, it would actually behoove me to get a line drawn. Let me see here if I can get this line put in while we're all doing this together. There, yeah, really happy with that line. So we actually broke out of this line a few days ago, sideways. Now we're starting to launch. Markets could be in a lot of trouble, gang. This I'm seeing a lot of warning signs. We need a huge end of the week. I mean, we need Friday to be a big bullish day to save this weakness that I'm seeing here. It'll be interesting if that can actually come to fruition. Let's look at the tech stocks. And I'm not seeing any major movers here. Nothing to really write home, but everybody in bearish territory. There you have it, man. We look forward to seeing you June for the mentorship or live in Vegas. Everyone loves the live one in Vegas. It's a fun time. It'll be an event that you will so appreciate. Catch you later. Right now, go to groktrade.com. We've kicked off a radical summer promotion that many will consider provocative. This promotion is called Glocks for Groks. Our mentorship students receive a new gun. That's right, you get a Glock handgun or use your $500 credit towards any gun you desire. Perhaps you want an AR-15, you know, the gun that's commonly referred to as the assault rifle. Well, it could be yours. Our mentorship students who qualify will receive their firearm from a federally licensed gun dealer. Get more details at groktrade.com. Qualifying students will complete 3 simple steps. Step number 1, take the 101 courses. These 6 lessons are absolutely free and there's no obligation. They are beginner-level trading tutorials received via email. Step number 2 are the 201 courses, 30 video-based trading tutorials that are more advanced. Step number 3, the 301 mentorship, and this is where you receive your gun. Perhaps you're not interested in a firearm. That's okay. We can put your credit towards an airline ticket for our live Vegas training in July, or simply apply the credit towards your tuition. Whatever works best for you. Glocks for Groks gun promotion is for a limited time only, good for any of the 3 mentorships scheduled for either June, July, or August. And the special live 3-day mentorship is in July in Las Vegas. Go now to groktrade.com for more details.